I got that California.
Vlad! Max! 911! Bad guys with big guns! They've got me pinned down on the entrance hole! Could use some help! Could use it now!
I had to find another way to reach Vlad. No time to call backup. My case had a life of its own. I got in through the back door. Memories of my previous visit here lurked in the shadows. A musty smell under the coat of new paint.
Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to present Max Payne, New York's finest, with the biggest mobster body count ever. Dearest guests, prepare to die. Max, I'd love to come and welcome you, but I'm busy dodging bullets and hiding under a desk at the moment. He's a wall! Stop him!
How do you like it now?
Hey, you're Max Payne.
Afraid so.
Max!
Let's go bail out your boss before he talks us all to death.
Let's ride!
They asked for it. Just follow the trail.
Got some heavy shit. They're here!
Winterson would have found a way to do this nice, neat, and clean. Logic told me backup should be on its way. Someone must have heard the gunfire. Logic was such a liar.
Teeth. The whole set for it to sit.
Up here! My friend, it was fun for a moment there, but my gun doesn't have unlimited ammo. If you can, hurry.
Big trouble.
Shoot!
Max! Damn it!
That was bad.
Vlad wouldn't be able to hold on much longer, if it wasn't too late already.
They're coming to take you away! Can you hear them?
Shut up! Shut up!
Come on, Beanie, you're not really cut out for this. They're coming to take you away! Can you hear them?
Shut up! Shut up!
Come on, Beanie, you're not really cut out for this.
Russian! Fucking die already!
You're not even trying!
Hang on, Vlad.
Max!
I'm coming.
Oh, no, Payne! Not him! Fuck! 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 What are you waiting for? Circle around and kill him! Kill the cop!
The way your hands are shaking, you couldn't hit a truck!
Payne! You fucking pay for this Russian, you fucking pay!
My hero! You saved my life! I could kiss you!
You want me to?